Stop right there. Before you replace any ignition parts or spend money on repairs, listen carefully. Your check engine light turns on. You scan the car and see trouble code P0300. At this moment, many drivers panic. They think the engine is failing or something serious is broken. Some people are immediately told to replace spark plugs, coils, or injectors. But in many cases, that is not the correct first step. P0300 means random or multiple cylinder misfire detected. In simple terms, the engine is misfiring, but not in one specific cylinder. The problem is happening randomly or across multiple cylinders. For the engine to run smoothly, every cylinder must fire at the right time. When one or more cylinders fail to fire properly, the engine computer detects irregular crankshaft speed. When this happens repeatedly, the computer stores the P0300 code. Here is an important detail many drivers do not know. P0300 does not automatically mean bad spark plugs or ignition coils. It is a warning that something is disrupting combustion. One common cause of a P0300 code is ignition-related problems. Worn spark plugs, weak ignition coils, or damaged plug wires can cause inconsistent firing across cylinders. However, replacing parts without testing often leads to wasted money. Fuel delivery issues can also trigger a P0300 code. Dirty fuel injectors, low fuel pressure, or a failing fuel pump can prevent the correct amount of fuel from reaching the cylinders. When fuel delivery becomes uneven, misfires can occur randomly. Vacuum leaks are another frequent cause. Cracked hoses, intake leaks, or unmetered air entering the engine can disrupt the air-fuel mixture. This makes it difficult for the engine to maintain consistent combustion. In some cases, engine sensors are involved. A dirty mass airflow sensor or faulty oxygen sensor can send incorrect data to the engine computer. When the computer receives bad information, it may deliver the wrong fuel amount, causing misfires. Before replacing any parts, always start with basic checks. Inspect spark plugs and ignition components. Check for vacuum leaks and loose hoses. Review fuel pressure data if possible. Scan for related trouble codes that may point to the real cause. Replacing parts without proper diagnosis wastes time and money. Many drivers replace multiple components and still end up with the same P0300 code. P0300 is not a disaster. It is a signal telling you to slow down, inspect, and diagnose properly. Before replacing parts, check our channel before replacing parts.